If Derry was a musical instrument, what would it be and why?
At Derry, if Derry was a musical instrument, it would be a harp because it's the heartbeat of the whole thing, the whole orchestra. It would be just beautiful, just perfect sound, perfect pitch, perfect people.
Gino, what sing, Are you in love?
I'm in love with Derry. I've been in love with Derry for years. Derry taught me a lot. I went to school here when I was 35.
Hi, the School of Life. If Derry was a musical instrument, what would it be and why?
It would be helium pipe.
Helium pipe.
Because it blows. I'm only joking.
If Derry was a musical instrument, what would it be and why?
I don't know, a drum maybe?
Beat your drum just?
Beat your drum.
The Míle Doire Cathair Cheoil, cake on a base on it was cake fun.
Dama chur ar an pointe, beidir Boran go cinse mar sílam go míon puisla agus go míon an brí annar tá daine ag séanam an Boran agus sin mar a waithíam faoi gara. Sin an facha bhí mé géig.
If Derry was a musical instrument, what would it be and why?
A harmonica, because it's a misunderstood instrument.
If Derry was a musical instrument, what musical instrument would it be agus céan fa?
An Pilob
Sean, tos an dara duine sin ar Pilob.
sin mór an drónaí atá sin Jack ar buíoch Cheoil sin Jack ar buíoch géist ag no sin a Cheoil as malis agus an Cheoil a crí.